Welcome to Women Leading AI. This is a space where women are not just using AI, they're shaping it, leading it, and building it with purpose.
Ma'am.
Yes.
That's one of the biggest things.
That's
I mean, creating grocery list,
All of that.
meal prep,
Yes.
What to plant in the yard at this time of year,
Everything.
so many things that we can learn from AI.
Yes.
And it's interesting that you said what to plant because I recently used ChatGPT to plan my garden.
Yes. Yes.
What size do I need? What type of seeds do I need? Do I need to plant seeds or do I need to plant bulbs?
Yes.
Those are the type of things, even if you don't want to use AI for business.
That's right.
You can still use AI in your daily life. And again, those things that you have thought about, that you have not utilized or that you just keep thinking about, I wonder if, I wonder when, I wonder, use AI to answer those I wonder.
Yes.
And especially with an opportunity to have a prompt engineer create something, it's probably quite expensive to have you to do these things for them, I'm
It
sure.
is costly, but I'm offering that tool for free.
Ooh,
I'm
come
giving to
on,
the
God.
community. I want to give. That's for free. It's on the house.
Did you-
It's on the house.
Ladies, please take advantage of this.
Wow.
Latrice Jones. Latrice, where can people find you?
I'm going to send the link
Okay.
To us?
Yes.
Okay. And we will have that link in our
Yes.
comments underneath
Yes.
our podcast
Please
video.
use it. Please.
Because this is so very
Wow.
important. What
Yes.
a wonderful opportunity
Yes.
to have as a tool that you
Yes.
can use.
From a prompt engineer. I'm just
Yes.
saying.
Yes. I
This
love
is
it.
so good. Taffany, what would you say to women who are still struggling to balance whether or not they want to use AI?
Well, I think it goes back. I was telling someone the other day about data, like when I remember dial-up coming. And I remember before dial-up, I was saying, I'll never get on the World Wide Web, right? I'll never get on the world. Now the World Wide Web is right in my hand everywhere I go on my phone. This is not going anywhere, number one. It's here. It's here to stay, and it is advancing very quickly. So the best thing you can do is just start. And there again, there are some safety measures that you can take, especially with ChatGPT, because that's what's common to everyone. Go into your settings. Go where you see your little profile. Click on where you see your profile. Then click on settings. From settings, go down to data control. And the very first thing that's on that screen, toggle it to off. That automatically will save you from being able to utilize all your data or information to train other large learning models out there. And then you can go a little bit further, as Susie was explaining to us, and turn on second or two form
Authenticator.
authentication.
Authentication.
Yeah, I have trouble saying that word. But you can turn that on so that if someone does get a hold to your device or they get a hold to your email or whatever, they are not able to look at what you've done before or take your information and utilize it for any other purposes. So there are things that we can do to safeguard those areas, but one thing I don't want you to do is close your eyes to it. Because I'm telling you, it's not going anywhere. And we need to be aware if we ever plan on having children and grandchildren or any other young people around us, they're going to be learning AI before it's second nature to them.
Right. AI can be valuable to you. So I encourage you, ask God, Lord, how can I use AI? What value can AI, artificial intelligence, have for me? And listen to what he has to say. If he says don't use it, don't use it. Don't use it. You're already using it. Most of you
Right.
are already using it. But I'm just saying, if he is not giving you very specific instructions to use the apps, use the tools and all of that, don't use it and trust God to use you the way that he wants to use you. But AI is here. And so, Susie, as we're wrapping up, what would you say to the women as far as their fears or concerns about AI?
I would say don't be fearful because, like you said, it's here to stay. And you already use it every day. I mean, it may not be directly, it may be indirectly using AI. But when you're using it on your phone, or if you have like the Alexa, you're not even thinking about the risk.
Right.
Yes.
You're not
Yes.
thinking
Not thinking
about
about
it
it.
at
Right.
all.
Yeah.
It's just second nature.
Exactly.
Just start and use it. It's going to change their life. I'm telling you.
Yes,
it is.
it will.
Definitely
It is.
will.
Yes,
It will.
It will. A lot of people believe that AI is a tool for visionaries. I believe that AI can encourage you to become a visionary. Ladies, if this episode has sparked something in you, please share it. Please subscribe to Women Leading AI and stay connected with us. Angela, what would you say as we're wrapping up? What would you say to the women who are just a little bit nervous about AI? Speak to them.
Okay. Well, ladies, artificial intelligence is not coming to like take your soul away from you. Let's just start there. They're not. Artificial intelligence isn't coming to rob you of your mind or your intelligence, your own personal intelligence. If anything, how I've used it is to actually test and stretch my intelligence, my own actual intelligence, see what was possible for me, use it as another form of creativity and expression, and build out something that I knew I had it within me, but then just like when Taffany and I were talking about the agreements about the gender thing, it's like I have no fear. Like my confidence level has gone through the roof. I can go in there and just have the information in what I want. I didn't have to like get it approved by somebody. It's just that I know the only approval I have is one other form of artificial intelligence that fact checks it. You have all the confidence after that. Just move forward in life. Just do what you want now. There's nothing holding anybody back other than themselves at this point when it comes to this particular topic.
Thank you so much, Angela.
Women leading AI, people.
Yes. Shakita, talk to the women and
Yeah.
encourage them about getting more involved in AI.
I'm gonna talk. I feel like I gotta talk to two different type of women,
Okay.
right? So if you are the go-getter, big thinker, big dreamer, my comment to you is put all those thoughts down in AI and watch it work its magic and help you prioritize and narrow what you need to go after first, right? I'm one of those people, right? And I could keep building forever, but I was like, it's time to narrow it down and get something going. And so I want to encourage you to don't lose that big thinking because it is amazing and that's part of the power of AI. But go ahead and put your thoughts down so that AI gives you the steps to guide you. Now for those, because like I said, there's two types. There might be someone that's like, a little more introvert, right? And you're like, I want to do it. I just don't know where to start. Or maybe you're doubting yourself. For those that are doubting yourself, I want to say don't. Do not doubt yourself because a lot of these companies have started by people failing. So what if you're the very person that has the big next $1 billion ideal and you're letting your fear stop you? And the great thing about AI, you can brain dump your fear into AI.
Yep.
Nobody really has to know. Well, nobody but, maybe if it's in some data somewhere. But nobody really has to know that you brain dump your fear into AI and then it can still give you a blueprint.
Yeah.
So it starts with where you are. And so whether you're the go-getter that you need to narrow down or you're the one it takes you a little bit of a push to get out there, just use AI, start today, do not be afraid, and try one thing.
That's
That is so good.
So, yes.
Talk to the ladies.
Oh, I definitely encourage all you ladies to never give up. I mean, like I said, I'm 42 now, and I was a non-traditional student. I didn't start going to college to I don't even know 20. I was late 20s. And so I did it, and so it was hard. It was very hard. But like they say, nothing in life is easy. The things that are easy, it's not going to be worth it. So continue just to, better, like I said, better yourself. You take that chance. Because do it now, and it's going to be a lot of work and sacrifice, but it's going to be so worth it later. Because I'm just thinking about, wow, Kalisha, had I given up, all those years ago, I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't be living my dream, truly. And so I just think, and I sometimes, a lot of times actually, I sit in my room and I just cry with tears of gratitude, because I'm like, God, like, I'm going to get emotional now. I'm just grateful, and I just want to encourage any woman out there, you can do it, it's worth it. God is with you. Just keep the faith, and just surround yourself with people who you want to be like. Because I know even like who I am today, I wasn't her, 5, 10, even 20 years ago. And I just look back at like some of the people I used to hang around with, and they're still doing the same thing, and it's like nothing, And so if you surround yourself, like they say, if you are the sum of the people you hang out the most with, So if you surround yourself with people who you want to be like and aspire to be like, you will more than likely be like that. You know what I'm saying? And so definitely for me, people, the caliber of people you surround yourself with is going to help determine your success. So find your tribe, find your people, and don't give up and keep going, and keep the faith. So that's my piece to you. God bless you, ladies. I hope that helped you. God is good, y'all.
Yes, he is.
All the time, and I just,
yes, he is.
I'm just, I'm just in awe of his blessings, his, how he just blows your mind. Yeah.
Erica, if you could give one piece of advice to women who want to embrace AI but feel skeptical, intimidated, some kind of way about it, please share with them how you feel and encourage them in how AI can be useful.
The best thing I can tell you is it's an old saying. My grandmother said it to me. My mother said it to me. My therapist has said it to me. Do it scared.
Come on.
Do it afraid.
Come on.
Be afraid. That's the best. That's the best way to dive in. Cause I was scared the first time I sat down to chat, and I was like, you know what I'm saying? Tell somebody, you know. But do it afraid. Because once you get in there and you do it, I promise you, when you start getting the feedback, when you start seeing what it could do, there's one more that we didn't talk about, which is Notebook LM.
Oh, honey.
Listen, for those of you who are speaking and need to have your slides done, all you got to do is take your speech, drop it in a notebook, and say, boop, and it will create your entire slide presentation. It will even do a recording where it sounds like you are in like these people are in the studio talking about your thing, making you sound like you is
podcast.
and you be sounding like you was all that and all bags of chips. I'm telling you. So it's just do it afraid.
Yes.
Do it afraid.
So good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us. And thank you for joining us. Please subscribe. Please share this episode with others. And please build up your confidence, or do it afraid. But try at least ChatGPT. Try it for yourself. God bless you.